Hi guys, good evening. Ayan na po para sa combo of the day ngayon. June 15. So, ito lang po yung mga card reveal. So, ano natin na yung trading boats. Saan ba siya? Let's check this one. Okay, let's go for the second card, which is market margin trading times 30. Go ahead. Then last will be the with the GameFi token. Okay guys, GameFi, ito. Okay, and take the price. So ayan